Okay, today I'm taking a look at the desk clamp power strip. So we got a nice thick aluminum clamp on here. We got a long thread for this finger bolt, and it has a nice soft foam padding on the top. We got a little screwdriver, and we have the power strip. So we got a clamp on the bottom. We got 3 sets of outlets on 3 different sides. So we actually have a total of 9 outlets on here. We also have 3 USB-A ports and a USB-C port. And it says that there is a total maximum of 5 volts at 3.4 amps. I do really like having that USB-C port. It's gonna be so nice not having to go find an adapter anytime I have to plug something into an actual USB-C port. We got our power switch here on the side, and then it's just off and reset, so it does have its own breaker in there. We got a decent cable on here, and the plug is the thing that I always like to see on here. So it has a slightly angled plug, so it's actually pointing to the side instead of straight down. So if you want to put this on a top outlet and you want to put a brick underneath it, you can actually do that. On top of that, this is a flat style, so the cable isn't going at the top, which means if you want to put some furniture or something behind it, you can actually do that. So this is the right way to make a plug. On the bottom, we do have mounting spots right here, so if we wanted to, we could attach this directly to a wall or to a shelf or something like that. And I believe that's what this screwdriver is for, so we just take out these 4 screws to remove this mount. But I'm going to use it because that's what I got this for. So I'm just going to line that key up with this notch. And it does slide back and forth, but as you apply pressure to the table, that is going to lock that in place. And with this fully opened up, we're looking at about 1.5 inches, maybe a little bit over that. So you just want to make sure that this is going to be able to fit your table. So if I plug this guy in, okay, so we do have a little light right here so we can tell that it is actually on. And if I plug my phone in, we are charging. So this thing works great. It's great having all those USB ports and all those outlets all in one little block. That is awesome.